Hello everyone, welcome to another Excel Daily Tips. My name is Alejandra Horvath and I'm very happy that you are here with me. And today I'm going to show you how to insert images to one cell or to a cell through a function. It's fantastic. This is a new function in Microsoft 365. So fantastic. I just love this stuff. So without further ado, let me just start sharing my screen. And if you find value in what I'm showing you with these Excel daily tips, please consider subscribing. And if you like this video, please give a thumbs up. So that helps my channel to grow, and I appreciate that very much. Excellent. Let me move a little bit this so I'm not on the way. Let me see. Perfect. Excellent. So here I have cities here in Canada where I am. And here I have the provinces, right? Now we want to bring the pictures for every city. I have the links here already. I need the links for where this information is coming from. So let's say here in cell I3, I'm going to say equal image. This is the new function. Open parentheses. What is the source? The source is going to be my cell, okay? This cell L3, that's going to be the source for this function. So I'm going to move over here, select that comma, and I'm going to press Control Backspace to go back to my active cell. And it's asking me for an alternative, alternative text. And I can put here City of Vancouver, but it doesn't matter. It's just for accessibility purposes. In my case, it's just an example. So I'm not going to put anything there. And what is interesting for me is the sizing. I have several options here, which says 0 to fit the cell, 1, fill the cell, original size or custom size. With original size, it will depend in every picture what the size is from the source, or the custom size. If I select that, then I will need to select, or I will need to provide information for the height and the width, which I have as next parameters. In my case, I don't want to do that. I can use only the fit cell or fill cell. So the 0 is fit cell. Let's see what happens. So I'm going to provide the 0. I'm going to close parentheses, enter. Here is the picture from this website. But look, I have a small piece in blank, right? So because it's not fitting perfectly, I use the option 0, that is fit cell. I'm going to use the option 1, which is fill cell. I'm going to press enter, and now look, the whole cell is populated, is filled with the picture. I can just select this cell, wait for this plus sign, and then drag that down below. So you can see that now I have the pictures for every city. These links take me to that picture. And let's say I don't want to have a link. I want to have this web address inside of the function. I can do that, but be careful. First, I'm going to go and copy the link. I'm going to press F2, Control A to select the whole text, and Control C to copy. And I'm going to move where my cell I6 is. Here I'm going to say equal image, open parentheses, and I need to provide this link as a text. For that reason, I need to provide the quotation marks. Open quotation marks, Control V to paste that link, close the quotation marks, comma, and the alt text, I'm going to ignore that, comma, sizing. We saw that the best option is fill cell number 1. I'm going to close parentheses, enter. That's how we bring that information into a cell. I'm going to select these headers, and I'm going to press Control Shift L. That is for me to have these filters here at the top. And I want to bring, let's say, only Vancouver, or actually only Edmonton and Vancouver. I'm going to say, okay. And as I sort, the pictures also move with the cells. So this is fantastic. Now let's say you don't have Microsoft 365 and you need to work with pictures and you need to copy and paste those pictures, but you have an issue because every time that you sort and that you filter, as I did, the pictures don't move with the cells. So I'm gonna press Alt WFF, and that is to unfreeze here, so I can show you this part. That, as I mentioned, look, I move a little bit here, and now I need to move also my pictures inside of the cells. Now that I kind of move them, they are all misaligned. So I'm gonna select one, Control A, and I'm gonna go to picture format, and I want to align, and I want to align center. So at least all of them are gonna be center. Now my issue here is if I select these titles, Control Shift L to have the filters. If I filter by Edmonton and Vancouver, I say, okay, look, the pictures stay there for the other two cities, right? So that is an issue. So I'm gonna click at the filter, I'm gonna just select all and select all again. And also I have an issue because if I go again to this row, I can select sort A to Z, and now the cities change with the provinces, but the pictures didn't move. So that is another issue. So what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna use a Control Z to undo what I did. Right here. And I'm going to select one of these pictures. And as I said, this is when you don't have, and let me move this one, I don't want to confuse anybody. So this is when you don't have Microsoft 365 and you need to find a way to move these pictures with the cells. So select one of the pictures, Control A to select all of them, right click, and let's go to Format Object. From here, you're going to go to this part. Let me move this one a little bit closer to here. You're going to go to this part where you have kind of a plus and this symbol, right? It says size and properties. From there, in properties, you're going to make sure that you select move and size with cells. Click there. And now I can just close this one. I don't need it anymore. If I go to city, if I select Edmonton and Vancouver, I say, okay, now I have only those two cities. I'm going to undo what I did with Control Z, and I'm going to go to city, and I'm going to sort A to Z. And now I can see that the pictures are moving properly with with the other cells. Let's say Calgary, this is the picture for Calgary, this is for Edmonton, Vancouver, and this is for Victoria. That is working perfectly. I hope you found this information useful. If you like it, please give the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Also share with anybody that you believe can benefit from it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow with another tip. Bye-bye.